said, look at the brochure. Look at the brochure. Kingsley Chinda, look at the projects you have done. You just became minority leader, is it not? There are those who are principal officers, presiding officers of the National Assembly. Then here, tell them to show you their own brochure. Let them show their project. It's just talk. They came, collected money from Atiku. They couldn't come home. They told Atiku, he pursued us. You come and pursue us. Anybody there? I dare anybody. If you want peace, we'll give you peace. If you say I don't like peace, we'll make sure there's no peace. Our business is to say there is peace in the state. But where you say I don't want peace, what do you concern me? What do you concern me?
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.